Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the Sigma 16mm F1.4 wide lens. Now this is an APS-C lens, so not a full frame lens, and this will pair really well with my Sony ZVE-10, which is an APS-C camera. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this lens, check it out for a bit, and then we're gonna chuck it onto my Sony ZVE-10 and actually see what the footage looks like. So I'm hoping that we get a nice wide angle, shallow depth of field for that nice bokeh effect. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so on the box itself, it says what the filter size is, which is 67mm. And the first thing we see is Sigma's limited warranty. All that boring stuff no one really cares about. Some more paperwork over here. And even more paperwork that we'll just set aside. All that stuff for warranty. I do recommend reading this though, if you do purchase one of these. I don't know why, but this kind of reminds me of an egg carton. But yeah, instead of eggs, we've got a really nice lens. Alright, so this is your lens hood, which is great if you're out and about shooting on a sunny day. And this is the lens itself. Now right off the bat, I will say that this is actually a very light lens, which is great if you're out and about and vlogging and you want that nice shallow depth of field, that nice bokeh without weighing down your camera. So I do appreciate that. And I will say that the overall build quality feels very nice. The ring is pretty nice and smooth here. And yeah, this is for the Sony E-mounts. I gotta say, the build quality again is fantastic, especially at this price point. This cost me about 400 USD, so not too bad. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing part of this video. Let's chuck it onto my Sony ZVE-10 and see what it looks like. Alright, so I've slapped on the Sigma lens on my Sony ZVE-10, and as you can probably already tell, there is a bit of a bokeh effect. I'm at f1.6 right now, so that's the shallowest you can get with this lens. And I will say that there is a bit of a blur around me. Now, take into consideration that my room isn't really that big, so I'm about half a meter away from my camera, maybe a little bit closer, and you know, the wall at the back isn't too far away from me, so I think that the bokeh effect isn't as pronounced because my room isn't really the biggest, but I feel like as you were to take this outside and you'd have more things in the background, the bokeh effect would be a lot more prominent as opposed to my little YouTube studio that I'm filming in. But all in all, I am pretty happy with this wide lens. And yeah, I'm very impressed with the build quality of this lens and just the quality in general. And I'm also really happy with the autofocus. From what I've tested so far, it's actually pretty quick. So yeah, I can't wait to test this lens out further and put out my review on it. So yeah, like and subscribe, stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is what the lens looks like, straight out the box, slapped onto my camera, without me fiddling around with too many things. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. So yeah, this has been it for my unboxing and first look at the Sigma 16mm f1.6 lens. But yeah, it looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one.